to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing an underrated slime shop called Big Boy Slime. If you guys don't know who Big Boy Slimes is already, then I suggest you follow him right now because his Instagram feed is so gold. His slimes look like they're super amazing and satisfying. So if you want to see his slimes, then go ahead and stick around so you guys can see how his slimes look, feel, and smell. So yeah, let's get started with this video, and remember to go ahead and subscribe down below and turn on my post notification, and go ahead and click that bell so you won't miss another video like this. Let's get started. So he sent me all this slime in a big package, and when I opened it, the first thing I saw was all this tissue paper that was nicely packaged. And on top it came with like the slime care sheet and like a packet of borax, and it honestly looks so cute in the beginning, and it's super like well professionally done. I'm super like shook. And then the next thing that he included was this little envelope, and inside of it was this little card that says "You are freaking majestic." And it was super cute because I really never seen anyone that includes like a personal card like this. Like, it's super nice, and here is what he said. And the next thing I pulled out was he also included some of this grass just for decoration, but it honestly made it 100 times better because it's super nice. He also included this little animal putty, and these are super cool, and they're like metallic. He also included this little popsicle squishy, and it's super slow rising. And what else did he include? He included this super well professionally packaged packet of candy, and it comes with so much candy with bubblegum, Laffy Taffies, and Starburst, and I love his little logo. He also included this big squishy, which was a cake with 3 layers, blue, yellow, and pink, and with strawberries on top. And he also packaged this so well because in the back he also put his sticker, and it's super like a nice sticker, you guys. He also scattered some of these beads around, which I've really never seen no one use, and it's super well packaged. I'm like, honestly, this package, I think I rated it an A++++ because it's super nicely done. So for the slime, he packaged them so well with this pink bubble wrap and one of his logo stickers, and it's super nice. He did this for each one of them, and they're really secure. They will not break. They're super nicely done. So this first slime I got was super hard to open because he really bubble wraps these so well. But the first one I got is called Funfetti, and this one actually smells like Funfetti, and I can smell it outside of the packaging. And look how pretty the containers are, you guys. He bought U-line containers, and they're so professional. So when I opened it, it like smelled super good. And I thought it wasn't gonna be thick, but oh my god, you guys. Look at all these colors. I've never seen flown beads that are this bright, and it's super thick, you guys. Look how thick this is. This is honestly a slime you can stretch, and you can also like hold it with your hand and play with it. I know a lot of you guys like to play with it with one hand, and this is one of those slimes, you guys. Look how thick it is. You can hold it with one hand. It's super stretchy. I really recommend this one. It smells super good. The flown beads give it a different texture, and I'm honestly shook with this slime, you guys. So this next one I got is called Daisy Dreams, and honestly this was probably one of my favorites because look how thick this is, you guys. This is probably the most thick slime I ever got. This one smelled like perfume, and look at this little cute charm. It was a flower charm, and it's super nice. This is so thick and glossy that some other slime, he makes other slimes like from other shops make them look bad, you know. This one was so nice and clicky and super stretchy, and oh my god, I am shook with this one, you guys. So this next one is called Watermelon, and I'm honestly shook, you guys. Look at how beautiful this color is and how the foam beads match with like the color of the slime. And the crunchiness of this slime is out of this world, you guys. This is like a thick base with like a glossy slime and thick at the same time. And the foam beads give it a different texture, and I'm honestly shook because this actually smells like a candy watermelon, and I'm like crying. It's so good. So this one is called Tricks, and I'm actually playing with this one right now as I do this voiceover. It's so good, you guys. This one, it was probably like my third favorite out of all of them because look at how colorful these foam beads, you guys. Oh my god, he's like put like giant foam beads, medium foam beads, and miniature foam beads in this one, and I'm honestly shocked because this actually smells like Tricks, you guys. It's like a glossy base and a thick slime at the same time, and I'm shook. So this one is called Summer, and this is a fishbowl beach slime. I've never actually played with the fishbowl beach slime, but this one, you guys, it smells, I don't know what this one smells like, but it's super amazing. It smells like kind of like a fresh type of smell, but I really don't know the exact smell of this one. And this one was a clear base slime, and this clear base slime was super thick. There was no bead fallout, and I was super shook because of that. And oh my god, the slime was super thick, and oh my god, everything was like amazing with this slime. So this one is called Cotton Candy Boy, and I'm honestly obsessed with these labels, you guys. I don't know how he does it, but they're honestly so cute. This one is a butter slime, and it smells like cotton candy, like a blue raspberry cotton candy, and it's super thick. None of these slimes came sticky, you guys. And oh my god, it's so spreadable, it's super soft, it's so airy. I'm honestly obsessed with this one, you guys. I honestly recommend you guys get this one if he has it in stock. So this one is called Bubblegum Baby, and this one is what I don't know what this texture was, you guys, but this is so thick. I think it was like a cream cheese slime, and oh my god, it's so thick, and it smells like bubblegum, and it has this like pacifier charm, and it's super cute, and I'm honestly obsessed with this one because it's so thick. Sorry about the fly, I don't know why it was in here. But yeah, I really was obsessed with this like slime. And the pacifier made it a cute like touch with it. It was super cute, and I honestly loved it, you guys. This was probably one of my second top favorites. So I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did like the video, then go ahead and like, share, and subscribe, and remember to go follow Bigboyslimeshop right here. I'll leave all his information right here, or I'll leave it down below in the description box. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.